Welcome to Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin Flash news provider. No BS, no gimmicks, just facts. Bitcoin Daily Update, the 7th of May, 2025. Good morning, crypto curious. Whether you're sipping coffee or nervously refreshing your portfolio app, welcome to your daily Bitcoin fix. Think of this update as your financial weather forecast, minus the umbrella, but with a chance of volatility storms. Let's dive in before Bitcoin changes its mind again. Market overview. Bitcoin market snapshot. Price. As of 8 a.m. UTC, $96,936.85. 24 hours change. Plus 2.16%. 7-day change. Plus 2.09%. Market cap. Approximately $1.91 trillion. 24 hours volume. Approximately $19.44 billion. Dominance. 65.09% going by CoinCodex. India Today, CoinDesk, and A-Invest. After last week's rally above $90k, Bitcoin is taking a bit of a breather, slipping slightly but still holding on to gains from the recent surge. The crypto markets remain cautiously optimistic, with Bitcoin in consolidation mode, or as traders like to call it, nap time before liftoff or nosedive. Magnifying glass. What's moving the market today? Fed rate jitters and traditional markets. The US Federal Reserve has kept interest rates steady for now, but the tone is still hawkish. Wall Street is jittery, and Bitcoin, which used to pretend it didn't care about trad fee, is acting more like a teenager borrowing its dad's economic anxiety. ETF flows still positive. The Bitcoin spot ETFs, BlackRock, Fidelity, et al., continue to see net inflows, albeit at a slower pace. Over $120 million flowed in yesterday, suggesting institutional interest remains strong, even if price momentum isn't. Mining update. Post-halving, hash rates have slightly dropped, but miners appear to be adjusting well. The increased transaction fees, especially with ordinals and runes hype, are cushioning revenues. In other words, miners aren't panicking, they are just sweating more for the same satoshis. Macro and geopolitics. Argentina is rumored to be exploring Bitcoin bonds again. Libertarian President Javier Milei remains vocal about crypto-friendly policies. Nigeria reversed some of its crypto restrictions, signaling a more open stance, a move that could increase adoption in West Africa. Middle East tensions and global banking instability continue to push some investors toward Bitcoin as a chaos hedge, the asset you hold when you suspect your bank might turn into a pumpkin. Technical analysis snapshot. Stock market information for Bitcoin. BTC. The price is around $96,912 currently, with a change of $2,814, 0.03%, from the previous close. The intraday high is $97,513 and the intraday low is $93,587. Support levels. $93,754 identified as the first support level, indicating a potential area where buying interest may emerge going by economies.com. $92,771 the second support level, suggesting a deeper pullback could find buyers here. $92,016 the third support level, marking a significant area that could act as a strong floor if the price declines further. Resistance levels. $95,492 the first resistance level, where selling pressure might increase, potentially hindering upward movement. According to Barker.com, $96,246 the second resistance level, indicating a higher barrier that could challenge bullish momentum. $97,229 the third resistance level, representing a significant hurdle that, if surpassed, could signal strong bullish sentiment. These levels are crucial for traders to monitor, as they can indicate potential reversal points or areas where price action may stall. Keep an eye on these zones to inform your trading decisions. Comment below and let me know if you need further insights or analysis. Until then, it's more sideways than a confused crab. Sentiment and on-chain signals. Fear and Greed Index. 59. Greed. Exchange reserves. Still declining. A bullish long-term sign as BTC moves into cold wallets. Whale activity. Slight uptick in accumulation by large holders. Could be prep for a big move, or just whales being whales. What to watch next? Upcoming US CPI data on the 15th of May. Inflation could stir up markets. Bitcoin Miami 2025 kicks off this week. Expect wild headlines and maybe a few laser-eyed predictions. The launch of another Bitcoin-backed stablecoin in Asia could further boost global utility. So there you have it. Bitcoin is stretching its legs but hasn't decided whether it wants to sprint to new highs or trip over macro headlines. Patience is the name of the game. And as always in crypto, expect the unexpected, like memecoins outperforming your serious investment strategy. Remember, in the land of volatility, those who HODL may not win fast, but at least they get to enjoy the ride with popcorn. Same time tomorrow, unless Bitcoin decides to go to the moon overnight. In that case, we'll write from orbit. Now subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day, and see you tomorrow.